Edwards Air Force Base, March 23, 2025. In the heart of California's Mojave Desert, a place steeped in aviation history, something extraordinary was about to unfold. The Mojave Desert's silence was shattered by the arrival of the world's most powerful leaders, their motorcades snaking across the sun-baked tarmac. Generals, senators, and global media clustered around a massive sealed hangar, all drawn by rumors of a revolution in air power. The air buzzed with speculation and excitement. For years the project was a ghost, hidden in black budgets, whispered about in the halls of power. Only a select few knew the truth. Today, the secret would be revealed. The world was on the edge of its seat. President Donald J. Trump's arrival signaled the gravity of the moment. His presence underscored the significance of what was about to be unveiled. He greeted Boeing's Phantom Works engineers, the brilliant minds behind the mystery. Their work had been shrouded in secrecy for years. The crowd's anticipation was electric. Everyone sensed history was about to unfold. Whispers rippled through the audience as cameras flashed and reporters jostled for position. This was more than a press event, it was a message to the world. America was about to change the game, and every nation was watching. The old ways of air dominance were fading, relics of past conflicts now gathering dust in the desert sun. Even stealth fighters like the F-22 and F-35, once the pinnacle of technology, were becoming vulnerable in a rapidly changing world. Something new was needed. Something that could not just survive, but dominate. The future of air combat demanded a leap forward. As the sun climbed, silence fell. The crowd seemed to hold its collective breath, waiting for the first glimpse of history. All eyes fixed on the hangar, every heartbeat echoing the tension in the air. The building was a vault, guarding a decade-old secret of American industry and military science. Inside, the future waited in darkness. This unveiling was a strategic signal, a show of strength and technological supremacy, meant to reassure allies and warn adversaries alike. The tension peaked, the crowd breathless. Every second felt stretched to the breaking point. Suddenly, a deep, resonant hum vibrated through the air, emanating from within the hangar. The moment had arrived. The world seemed to pause. The world was about to witness the birth of a new era in air power. Cameras rolled, and history prepared to be written. The future was waiting behind that door, ready to step into the light. The hangar doors groaned open, revealing a cavern of shadow and anticipation. The air was thick with expectation, as if everyone present sensed that history was about to be made. From deep within, a low, powerful hum began to build, vibrating through the concrete floor and echoing off the steel beams above. From the darkness, a shape glided forward, not towed, but moving under its own mysterious power, as if gravity itself had loosened its grip. No wheels, no jet blast, no engine roar, just a silent, floating presence that seemed to defy every convention of flight. The crowd gasped, their eyes wide with disbelief. This was no ordinary plane, it was something entirely new, almost otherworldly. The aircraft settled on the tarmac, its landing gear extending in perfect, ghostly silence, as if it were a vision rather than a machine. It was massive, closer to a bomber than a fighter, its form a seamless, tailless diamond, every line engineered for stealth and power. The skin was matte black, absorbing the desert sun, with a gold-tinted canopy fared perfectly into the fuselage, reflecting nothing but the sky. No seams, no rivets, just a monolithic alien shape, as if it had been sculpted from a single piece of obsidian. Pilots and engineers stared in disbelief. Politicians were stunned into silence, struggling to comprehend what they were seeing. This was not an evolution, but a revolution. A break from a century of aviation design, rewriting the rules of what was possible in the sky. The F-47 Liberator had arrived, more radical than anyone imagined. A leap forward that left even the most seasoned experts speechless. Its presence was overwhelming, radiating quiet menace and power as if daring anyone to challenge its supremacy. The silence was its most shocking feature. No whine, no hiss, just stillness. It was as if the future had arrived without a sound. This was the weapon meant to guarantee American air dominance for decades, a symbol of technological mastery and strategic might. A statement in classified technology. The sky still belonged to the United States, and the world was on notice. The world had seen stealth fighters before, but never anything like this. The Liberator was a quantum leap, not just a step forward. The Liberator was the embodiment of a new era, a vision of tomorrow made real in carbon, metal, and code. The future of air power had just landed and nothing would ever be the same again. The F-47 Liberator's diamond-shaped airframe is the pinnacle of stealth, a marvel of modern engineering that redefines what's possible in military aviation. Its seamless, radar-absorbent skin makes it nearly invisible to all types of radar, blending into the sky and evading even the most advanced detection systems. Built for deep penetration missions, it carries massive payloads and extra fuel, giving it global reach without the need for mid-air refueling tankers, and allowing it to strike targets anywhere on Earth. Its cavernous internal bays hold hypersonic missiles, precision-guided smart bombs, and even next-generation directed energy weapons, making it a true force multiplier. The Liberator can take off vertically, hovering silently above the runway before accelerating skyward with impossible speed, ready to respond instantly to any threat. It's not just a fighter or a bomber, it's a new category altogether, a command hub, interceptor, and deep strike platform, seamlessly integrating multiple roles in one airframe. Its smart skin is embedded with thousands of sensors, providing a 360-degree, real-time view of the battle space and feeding critical data directly to the pilot. The golden canopy is part of an advanced system, letting the pilot see through the airframe itself, merging the outside world with augmented reality displays for total situational awareness. The F-47 is a quantum leap into the future of aerial warfare, setting a new standard for power, versatility, and technological dominance in the skies. Inside the golden canopy, the pilot is transformed from operator to battlefield commander. The true revolution, a powerful AI co-pilot, handling flight, stealth, sensors, and threat analysis in real time. The pilot focuses on strategy, while the AI fuses data from the aircraft's smart skin, radar, and satellites into a single, intuitive picture. Augmented reality overlays the battle space onto the pilot's visor, highlighting threats and allies. From 60,000 feet, the pilot orchestrates the battle, directing naval, air, and ground assets through secure links. The AI and human work symbiotically. The AI provides speed and precision. The pilot brings creativity and judgment. The pilot can override the AI, but together they form a system greater than the sum of its parts. The F-47 is not just flown, it's commanded. The F-47 rarely flies alone. Its greatest weapon is its command over a squadron of autonomous drones, the Collaborative Combat Aircraft or CCAs. These stealthy drones scout, jam, strike, and absorb enemy fire, acting as extensions of the pilot's will. The pilot directs the swarm with voice or gesture, sending drones to scout, attack, or defend. CCAs multiply the F-47's effectiveness, overwhelming enemy defenses and revealing hidden threats. The loss of a drone is acceptable. The loss of an F-47 is not. The Liberator and its drones share data in real time, forming a resilient, adaptive network. This is the future, a single crewed command platform at the heart of a lethal, intelligent swarm. The F-47 Liberator was born from a fierce competition between Lockheed Martin and Boeing. Lockheed offered an evolutionary upgrade, faster, stealthier, but familiar. Boeing's Phantom Works gambled on a revolution, radical aerodynamics, silent VTOL, and deep AI integration. Many doubted it could be built. The Pentagon's focus was the Pacific, where vast distances and Chinese defenses demanded something new. Lockheed's design still needed tankers and support. Boeing's could operate alone, deep inside enemy territory. The Liberator was more than a fighter. It was a system, a flying command center, a deterrent. Military leaders chose boldness over caution, and Boeing delivered the leap they needed. The gamble paid off, the most formidable flying machine ever created. The F-47's unveiling was more than a hardware reveal. It was a statement to the world. For allies, it's a promise. America's commitment to security, able to reach anywhere, anytime. For adversaries, it's a warning. Air dominance is out of reach and old defenses are obsolete. The Liberator's true mission is deterrence, making the cost of conflict unthinkable. Its existence is meant to preserve peace, not wage war. The F-47 embodies peace through strength, stabilizing a volatile world. As the sun set over the Mojave, the paradigm of air power had shifted. The Liberator stands as both shield and sword, a guardian of a new era.